Question number 2 wants us to find the compositions f composed with g of x and g composed with f of x, or you can call them fog and goff. So for fog, we want to plug in the g function into the f function. So I'm going to start by writing the f function, but with an open parentheses where I see the x. And then I want to plug in the g function. Now, that's actually okay for an answer, but you don't really need the parentheses, so you can just rewrite it like that. For g composed with f, I'm plugging in the f function into the g function. So this really is the reverse. So this is going to be parentheses plus 2, and I'm plugging in f of x. And we really don't need the parentheses anymore. And that will be our answer. So they're similar answers, but for fog, the square root goes over top of all of it.